Yay, let's go, Munah.
Ahoy, Captain Munah. Are you ready for a special surprise today?
A surprise? What is it?
You'll have to wait and see.
Happy birthday, Munah. Look at all the decorations.
Wow! It's so colorful!
Happy birthday, Munah. Let's dance.
This is the best birthday ever!
I made your favorite cake, Munah. Chocolate with sprinkles.
Yay! Can I help?
You can sprinkle the toppings.
Come help me with the party hats.
Okay, Grandma.
You look like a little princess.
Time to make a wish, Munah.
I wish for more adventures with my family.
Hooray, let's eat cake.
Thank you, everyone. This is the best birthday surprise ever.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Today I'm going to show you how to create animated cartoon videos just like
Choo
this
choo,
one.
hello friends. I'm Tayo, the talkative rabbit.
Hi everyone, I'm Lola the learning kitten, and today we're going on a super fun adventure.
Kids absolutely love these cartoon videos because they are funny, educational, and super entertaining, but that's not all. Many creators on YouTube use videos like these to gain millions of views and earn money. The best part is everything you need to make this video, like the script, voiceover, and the cartoon characters, can be easily generated using AI. So in this video I'll show you the exact steps I followed to create this video, and you'll be amazed by how simple it is. I'm Crystal from Where the E Kid, and let's get started. To start off, you're going to come up with a script. You can come up with your own script, but for today's tutorial, I'm going to use ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT and type the following prompt. I want to create a kids' YouTube video on types of transport. Generate an engaging dialogue between two characters explaining the different kinds of transport. Could you please separate the script into scenes and include prompts that I will use to generate images? Then I'm going to hit enter. ChatGPT has generated for us different scenes together with prompts that you're going to use to generate images. We have an introduction, along with the different types of transport. This is the script that I'm going to use for our video. The second step is to generate a voiceover, and to do that you're going to use 11 Labs. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below for all the tools that you're going to use in this video. Once you're on 11 Labs, you're going to come over here to text-to-speech, and we're going to paste the voiceover that ChatGPT gave us. So head back to ChatGPT, and we're going to copy the first voiceover, which is Tayo, where she says, "Choo choo. Hello, friends, I'm Tayo the talkative rabbit." Paste it right inside this text box. From here, we're going to choose the voice that we'll use for our first narration, which is Sam's voice. To do that, you're going to click on this button here and listen to the different voices that are available on 11 Labs. Let's listen to a few of these voices available for us. You can also click on Voices, and then go over to the library. From here, you can filter to the kind of voice that you'd want for your narration. For today's video, we're going to select Default, and you can listen to the different voices available under this category. Click on the name and you should be able to listen to the different voices. I'm going to go with this one. Click on Generate Speech. Click on the download icon and download this first narration from Tayo. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the next narration from Tayo. Head back to 11 Labs and paste in the second narration from Tayo. Click on Generate Speech. Download this second voiceover. Now head back to ChatGPT again and copy Lola's narration. Go back to 11 Labs and paste Lily's narration inside the text box. Change the voice. We're going with a different voice. Generate the speech. Download it, and I'm going to complete generating all the narrations this way. The next step is to generate our animations. To do that, you're going to use Adobe Express. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Once you're on Adobe Express, come over here and click on Character. Choose the category of characters that you'd want. You can go with creatures, animals, zodiac, emojis, robots, classroom, and so many others. For today's tutorial, I'm going to go with animals, and I'm going to select this rabbit here. The rabbit is going to be Tayo. To generate our animations, click on this button here, Enhance Speech. Then click on Browse, and upload Tayo's first voiceover. Let's listen to our animation right here.
Choo choo! Hello friends! I'm Tayo, the talkative rabbit.
Click on the download icon and make sure you rename it accordingly. Once you have downloaded your animation, click Click on Back and then Replace Audio. Click on Browse and you're going to bring in Tayo's second voiceover. You can also select the background of your animation by clicking on Background. From here, you can choose any background. For today's tutorial, we're going to stick with a green background. I will go ahead and generate all the other voiceovers for Tayo. Now that I am done generating the animations for Tayo, I'm going to change the character so that I'm able to animate Lola. To do that, click on Character and I will stick with animals. Let's listen in to Lola's first animation.
Hi everyone, I'm Lola the Learning Kitten, and today we're going on a super fun adventure.
Click on Download. Click on Back, Replace Audio, then Browse, and bring in Lola's second voiceover. Click on Download. I will go ahead and generate all the other remaining animations before we move on to the next step. The next step is to generate an animated background, and to do that, you're going to use Canva. Head over to canva.com and click on Create a Design. Search for YouTube Video to get the correct dimensions. Once you have a blank Canva design open, go back to ChatGPT and check the prompt for your first scene. For this example, the first scene is a bright and colorful cartoon-style transportation park filled with different vehicles, cars, boats, trains, airplanes, bicycles, with a sunny sky and a rainbow. Scene 1. A bright and colorful cartoon-style transportation park. In Canva, click on Elements and search for Road with Landscape. Click on Graphics and choose one background that fits the scene. Right-click the background and select Set Image as Background. Next, go back to ChatGPT to check what toy vehicles you need. In this case, cars, boats, airplanes. Back in Canva, search for Toy Car under Elements right-pointing arrow Graphics. Choose one and adjust its size and position. Do the same for a boat and then for an airplane, placing each appropriately in the scene. Now that you're done with the first scene, click Share, then Download. Choose MP4 video format and download the scene. Go ahead and generate all the remaining scenes using this same method. Once you're done, we'll move on to the next step. Final step. Putting everything together in CapCut. Go to CapCut. Visit CapCut.com. Click Create New Project. Select YouTube 16:9 as your video format. Upload all assets. Upload character animations from Adobe Express. Background videos from Canva. Voiceovers, dialogue and silent clips, music track. Assemble your scenes. Scene 1 example. Drag in your first animated background to the timeline. Add the first character, Tayo. Click on the character. Go to Smart Tools right-pointing arrow Remove Background. Turn on Chroma key. Use the color picker to remove green screen. Resize and place the character appropriately. Add silent characters. When a character is silent, generate a silent voiceover using 11 Labs. Type and click Generate Speech. Download and use this audio clip. Upload this silent version back into Adobe Express to export animation without voice. Bring that silent character into CapCut and remove background just like the talking one. Continue with the next scenes. Drag in the next background video. Add talking and silent characters. Repeat the remove background right-pointing arrow chroma key process. Transitions between scenes. Click between two scenes in the timeline. Choose Add Transition. Select your favorite from the transition panel. Add background music. Upload a royalty-free track from YouTube Audio Library or elsewhere. Go to Basic Settings and reduce the volume to around 30 decibels. Add captions. Click on Captions, right-pointing arrow, Auto Captions. Choose English. Click Generate. Go to Presets and choose a caption style. Export your final video. Click Export. Choose your format and resolution. Download your final video.
Choo choo, hello friends. I'm Tayo, the talkative rabbit.
Hi everyone, I'm Lola the Learning Kitten, and today we're going on a super fun adventure.
That's right, Lola. We're going to learn all about transportation.
Yay! What's transportation, Tayo?
Transportation means how people and things move from one place to another.
Oh, that sounds exciting. Let's go.
First stop, land transportation. These are the vehicles that move on roads or tracks.
Wow, I see a car, a bus, and even a skateboard.
That's right, Lola. Cars take families around, buses carry lots of people, and skateboards are super fun.
What about you, Tayo?
I'm a rabbit. Rabbit has long ears and eats carrot.
Splash! Look at all the boats!
This is water transportation. These are vehicles that float and travel on water.
That big one must be a cruise ship.
You got it. And that little one is a canoe, paddled by hand.
Sailboats use the wind, and motorboats go vroom with engines.
Perfect, Lola. Now we're flying high in the sky.
This must be air transportation.
That's right. Airplanes fly super fast across the world. Helicopters go up and down, and hot air balloons float gently in the sky.
And look, a blimp. It looks like a flying balloon.
Great job, Lola.
Tayo, what about going to space?
Ooh, that's called space transportation. Rockets help astronauts travel to the moon and beyond.
Zoom! That's out of this world.
Haha, you're so funny, Lola. Let's remember what we learned today.
Land transportation moves on roads and tracks.
Water transportation sails on rivers and seas.
Air transportation flies in the sky.
And space transportation blasts off into space.
Yay, we did it!
Thanks for learning with us. See you next time.
Bye-bye, friends.